And welcome back to our Dream in the Woods. Kind of an impromptu day. Started out the day having breakfast with Beth, but then turned to road work real fast.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Difficulty of this road situation is going to be this corner, getting the fabric rolled out, and then we just have 2 straight stretches. With those super dumps, we're hoping to get in 9 today, maybe up to 12. So we'll see. Exciting day. Hopefully it stops raining so I can film a little more.
And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
What do you think of the camera, huh? Yeah. Yeah. What do you think of that thing, huh? Yeah.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down,
Some apples, I guess. Yeah. Horses came down to see what's going on, see what the action's about. So this corner is the biggest hurdle, I guess, in this road project. We're going to go from this corner down a couple hundred feet behind the backhoe, and then up this to the start of our driveway, but not into our driveway yet. We still have utilities and all kinds of stuff that need to happen there. And we're going to do some more cleanup and logging this winter. So, but this is my brother-in-law, Eric, from the backhoe. He's really been responsible for a lot of the progress we've had on the property. We worked a lot together. He worked a lot alone on the property. He's kind of a ninja on that backhoe, and so really grateful for everything that he's done for us on the property. So Eric and I went to high school together. So we've known each other for 35 years, and he's married to Beth's sister. And they live just around the corner. I guess this is super dump number 7.
Yeah.
So there's 2 super dumps working for us. And so we'll have this one, the next one, and then 2 more today. Sounds like. So. Takes a lot of gravel to do the road. I mean, that's a big old truck, and the pile isn't that big. So here you can see the fabric. Second truck is coming. raining. So about where he started there is we'll try to get that done today, and the corner. So
won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
That's all there is to it. I don't see what this road building stuff is so hard. Yeah.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
What do you do when the road is getting gravel?
Life is a
You
winding
take the shortcut to the shady way,
no telling where
where the
we
car
go.
is parked
Driving through
at
days
my
and
sister's
nights.
house.
Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head.
Okay, I'm gonna walk you over and show you, let's see if you can see where my brother-in-law is working on the road. Yeah, so back there is my brother-in-law working on the road, and he is working on that gravel. He said that there's at least 2 more loads coming today, and so we will see how that goes. Hopefully I can catch a truck dumping the gravel today. I know Greg got a video of that yesterday, and so hopefully I can get out here in time to see that happening.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. sky's falling down. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
I made it to get to the gravel truck and in time. I heard it coming down the road and I was like, oh, I gotta get there. So, and it was just like a couple minutes after I had said that I'll try and get a video of it. So I made it. So the gravel is here. You can see it right there. And we're excited. It's exciting to know that this road is going to be so much better in the spring. So yeah, can't wait to show you what it looks like when it's all done. And this is just the first step. So more gravel will happen after our house built, but this is the first step in fixing the road.
And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my heart. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Can you hear him? Do you hear the backhoe? Yeah, the backhoe? Yeah. Oh yeah, are you moving the arm of the backhoe? Yeah? Let's go see. You wanna go see?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. We'll go see. Can you see it?
This is kind of an after shot of the road work that we had done last Wednesday. It kind of came about all of a sudden. I was off, my brother-in-law was off, we were hooking up the plow, talking about the road, talking about the weather, time frames, and ended up calling Interstate, and they ended up having 2 super dumps available, and so we just went for it. I already had the road fabric purchased, so it was here on site, and we went from 11 o'clock to getting gravel by 12:15. So for people that aren't familiar with North Idaho, and that's the only place that I'm familiar with, I do remember it when I lived in Alaska also, but road fabric basically enables you to put it down, and then the rock does not get swallowed up into the substrate or the dirt that's below the road or below the rock, and so it provides a layer for it to suspend, I guess, and not penetrate down in the dirt. So there's somewhat of a debate on whether to use road fabric or not. We use 15 feet wide, and I'm not sure exactly what the cost is, but with 15 foot wide, it's I think about $1.40 or something like that per foot. So it's not cheap, but in the long run, your road will last longer. This is about the starting point where the gravel left off, and we started the other day. I can't even tell the transition. And again, great big shout out to Eric. He's I call him a ninja on the backhoe with compacting this, spreading it out. It has a crown to it, all those things that a professional does, and he definitely knows how to do. When we're building a road, why does this road need to be so wide? And why does the base need to be so thick? We basically do this not to drive up and down every day. We think of 2 things. spring breakup that lasts for 6 or 8 weeks, that things become, where the frost is coming out of the ground and things become very muddy, and then snow removal and snow storage. And so this area here off to the right, no storage. And in the corner up here, this corner's easily twice or 3 times as big as it needs to be, but that's because we push snow from both directions into the corner, and it's not the first or the second snow, it's the third and fourth snow. So you might get 12 inches or 18 inches. You push it, you make a big pile, that pile becomes rock hard. You can't really do anything with it unless you move it with the backhoe. But every time you plow, your banks get bigger and bigger and your road gets narrower and narrower. So snow storage is a big deal, and that's why it's so wide. We really only need a single track through here. I mean, very, very rarely do we have 2 vehicles on this road at one time, but basically we build it like this because of snow storage. Last winter, I guess, I think it was last winter, we cleaned this road up and cleaned a lot of debris and trees off the bank. Eric reshaped the bank, shape of the road, grade of the road before, so it was all ready for the gravel this year. He also built this rock wall, and we planted some bushes in there, and we hope that at least 2 of the 5 bushes come up next year. It didn't look so good by the end of the year. Also got some native plants from a native plant sale, and that's what these little rock pieces are. There's some native plants, so they tend to not be that deer resistant, and they need to be very drought tolerant because this thing gets a lot of sun. So I'm hoping that they come up next year also. So we ended the gravel here just before our new driveway starts, and the reason why we did that is that this cut bank that we had to make to get the driveway grade to go in, we're got some plans to stabilize that, so we'll be running equipment around. We're also going to clean up that corner that's behind my shoulder, and so we'll be running the skid steer and the backhoe back and forth this winter. So kind of want to have all those projects cleaned up before we put the road base on. And this road that we did all that last winter. So feel like it's an accomplishment to get the road base up to this point, and we won't do clear down to the house until all of the cleaning, utilities, water systems are all, because they'll be run either in the road or just adjacent to the road. So, but we did get this done this fall, so feels pretty good. About how deep did we go? Initially it was going to be about 6 inches, and I think in most places we were probably closer to 8 inches of road base. So that's a lot of gravel. I haven't got the final tally on the super dumps. It was about 550 to 600 feet of road, plus that wide corner down there, and I think we did 18 super dumps. So we'll get you how many tons and how many yards that is, but it's a lot. This seems like a springy thing that could cause some damage.